Hello, Catalyst community. We're the Catalyst Africa Town Hall team. Our project, Catalyst Africa Town Hall Operations, was funded in Fund 10 under the Catalyst Open Challenge. Our mission was to provide a consistent platform for Africans to engage in Project Catalyst, onboard new members, especially students, deliver blockchain education workshops, and support the growth of the Cardano Africa Community. During the Fund 10 period, we hosted over 20 Africa Town Halls, bringing together members from more than 5 African countries. We onboarded over 300 new African participants, including more than 150 university students. We conducted 8 blockchain education workshops in partnership with local hubs and universities. We supported the Cardano Africa Community with translation in English, French, and Swahili. And we leveraged our platform to host IdeaFest, where African and global proposers shared their fund proposal and ideas. Through this project, we helped increase Africa's visibility in Project Catalyst and Cardano governance. Our outreach inspired dozens of university students to become first-time voters and proposers. Several African-led proposals gained visibility and support. And most importantly, we built a bridge connecting local African communities with the global Cardano ecosystem. We learned the importance of consistency, partnerships with universities, and inclusivity through translation and cultural diversity. These were key to keeping communities engaged across the continent. Going forward, Africa Town Hall will continue as a community hub, scaling university partnerships, expanding blockchain education, and empowering African proposers to succeed. We'll also continue hosting global events like IdeaFest, spotlighting African innovation. Thank you to Project Catalyst, the Catalyst community, and all the amazing participants across Africa. Together, we are proving that Africa is not just participating in blockchain, Africa is building the future with Cardano.